Unlocking the secrets of powerful leadership. Did you know that only 10% of leaders are considered truly effective? This surprising statistic underscores the critical need for strong leadership skills in today's fast-paced business environment, where effective leadership can make or break an organization. Effective leadership is more than just steering an organization. It's about inspiring and motivating teams to achieve collective goals. Leaders who excel can significantly boost organizational performance, employee satisfaction, and overall company success. Emotional intelligence, EI, is a cornerstone of successful leadership. Leaders with high EI can understand and manage their emotions while empathizing with others, leading to improved team dynamics and stronger interpersonal relationships. Clear communication is vital for leaders to articulate visions and goals effectively. It ensures team members understand their roles and responsibilities, reduces misunderstandings, and fosters a collaborative environment where everyone is aligned with organizational objectives. Active listening enhances leadership effectiveness by building trust and respect. When leaders genuinely listen to their team, they gain valuable insights, foster open communication, and create a supportive atmosphere that encourages innovation and problem-solving. Decision-making skills are vital for leaders as they navigate complex situations and ensure progress. Effective leaders assess risks, consider diverse perspectives, and make informed choices. Their ability to decide confidently inspires trust and drives organizational success. Emotional intelligence is crucial for leaders, enhancing their ability to connect and communicate with their teams. By understanding and managing their emotions, leaders foster strong relationships, creating a supportive environment that boosts morale and productivity. Active listening is a powerful leadership tool that strengthens communication and builds trust. Leaders who truly listen to their team members' concerns and ideas demonstrate respect and understanding, leading to more effective problem-solving and collaboration. Empathy plays a significant role in effective leadership. By understanding and valuing others' perspectives, leaders create an inclusive and compassionate work environment. This fosters loyalty and motivation, encouraging team members to contribute their best efforts. Adaptability is essential for leaders facing ever-changing circumstances. Embracing flexibility allows leaders to pivot strategies and respond to new challenges effectively. This readiness to adapt ensures resilience and keeps the organization moving forward in dynamic environments. Building trust within teams is vital for effective leadership as it fosters collaboration and open communication. Trust creates a safe environment where team members feel valued, leading to increased motivation, productivity, and a stronger team dynamic. Leading by example is a powerful leadership tool, as actions often speak louder than words. When leaders embody the values and behaviors they wish to see, it inspires their teams to follow suit, enhancing overall organizational culture. Motivating and inspiring team members involves understanding their individual needs and aspirations. By recognizing achievements and providing opportunities for growth, leaders can boost morale and drive performance, creating a more engaged and committed workforce. Vision and goal setting are fundamental aspects of leadership. A clear vision provides direction and purpose, while attainable goals help teams focus their efforts. Leaders who effectively communicate these elements can align their teams towards shared success. Continuous self-improvement is essential for leaders to remain effective and relevant. By embracing lifelong learning and seeking feedback, leaders can adapt to changing environments and challenges, fostering personal growth and enhancing their leadership capabilities. Cultural competence in leadership involves understanding and appreciating diverse backgrounds, which fosters inclusivity and collaboration. Leaders who embrace cultural differences can create more cohesive teams, leading to increased innovation and better problem-solving through diverse perspectives and ideas. Feedback plays a crucial role in leadership development by offering insights into strengths and areas for improvement. Constructive feedback helps leaders refine their skills, enhance their effectiveness, and foster an environment of growth and continuous learning. Conflict resolution skills are essential for leaders to maintain harmony within their teams. By addressing issues promptly and fairly, leaders can prevent misunderstandings from escalating, ensuring that team dynamics remain positive and focused on achieving common goals. Fostering a positive team culture requires leaders to prioritize well-being, celebrate successes, and encourage collaboration. A supportive environment boosts morale, enhances productivity, and attracts talent, ultimately driving the team and organization towards sustained success and innovation. Delegation and team empowerment are vital for maximizing productivity and fostering growth. By trusting team members with responsibilities, leaders encourage ownership and creativity, enabling individuals to develop skills and contribute meaningfully to the organization's objectives and vision. Innovation and creativity are vital in leadership, allowing leaders to navigate complex challenges and inspire their teams. By fostering a culture that embraces new ideas, leaders can drive progress and maintain a competitive edge in their industries. Strategic thinking equips leaders with the ability to anticipate future trends and make informed decisions. This forward-thinking approach helps organizations adapt to changing environments and seize opportunities, ensuring long-term success and sustainability in a dynamic marketplace. Effective change management involves guiding teams through transitions with minimal disruption. Leaders who excel in this area can build resilience, maintain morale, and align their teams with new visions, ultimately driving successful transformations and achieving desired outcomes. Resilient leaders inspire confidence and perseverance in their teams, especially during challenging times. By demonstrating an unwavering commitment to goals and maintaining a positive outlook, they help others navigate adversity and emerge stronger, fostering a culture of endurance and growth. Humility and openness are essential traits in leadership, as they promote a culture of learning and collaboration. Leaders who embrace these qualities can build stronger relationships, encourage feedback, and create an inclusive environment where diverse perspectives are valued. Leaders who cultivate a growth mindset embrace challenges and view failures as opportunities to learn. This mindset fosters innovation and resilience within teams, encouraging continuous improvement and adaptability in a rapidly changing world. Ethical leadership practices are essential for building trust and integrity within organizations. Leaders who prioritize ethics set a strong example, guiding their teams toward responsible decision-making and fostering an environment where values are upheld. Technology is reshaping modern leadership by providing tools that enhance decision-making and communication. Leaders leveraging technology can streamline processes, facilitate collaboration, and remain agile, ensuring their organizations stay competitive in an increasingly digital landscape. Successful leaders often share strategies such as clear vision, empathy, and effective communication. By studying these leaders, individuals can gain insights into fostering motivation and inspiration, driving their teams toward achieving ambitious goals. Reflecting on your leadership style is crucial for growth. Consider applying a new strategy to enhance your effectiveness. By embracing change and innovation, you can strengthen your leadership role and inspire those around you. Like, share, subscribe for more tips and inspiration.